student. My name is Nikhat Parveen and I'm currently teaching at Bharti College, NC Web Center, the paper Urbanization and Urbanism in Indian History to semester 5 of BA program course. It is DSE paper of history major that has 4 credits, 3 for lecture and 1 for tutorial. Let's discuss about it further. It has a different sections. This paper has a total 160 marks as you can see it, which is divided into 90 marks for exam at end of your semester, 30 marks for internal assessment, which is further divided into 6 marks for attendance, 12 marks for assignments, and 12 marks for class test, which count as 30, and 40 marks for class assessment, which is divided into 5 for attendance and 35 for problem solving like class activities. This is whole the credit system and examination pattern. Let's discuss about the paper and its unit. It has 3 units. First unit talk about the urbanization, urbanism, and rural fringe and survey and sources and historiography. And the second unit talk about the first and second urbanization, its origin, development, decline, and continuity, and case studies of different sections like Harappa, Rakhigarhi, Mathura, Supara, and Kanchipuram. And third unit talk about the urbanization in medieval period like state, trade, and religion, and case studies of different centers like Tanjore, Hampi, Puri, and Agra. Urbanization and fourth unit talk about urbanization in colonial period like British period. It is talk about the trade, urban planning, transportation and policy, case studies of Madras, Kolkata, Bombay and New Delhi. It has long, different, stable nuances to understand how urbanization take place throughout the Indian history. Let's understand further. It has some important readings like Indu Banga as reading the city in Indian history. It is one of the important books to read about it, and the B.D. Chattopadhyay's reading of a study early India. It is one of the most important books to read about in ancient history, India archaeology, text and historical issue. And again, for Hindi medium, Udayanarayan's book Prachin Bharat mein Nagar and Nagar Jeevan, it is one of the important book to read about the first and second urbanization. And different further readings, you can go through this paper and syllabus and understand it like Amar Farooq Urban Development Colonial Situations, which talk about the Bombay's urban development, Mansi Parparani's urban development of Bombay, and or Narayani's Gupta's uh, different development in Delhi throughout two empires. She talks about it beautifully. And let's talk about Nirmala Jain. She literally talk about Delhi Sahar, how Delhi Sahar developed throughout the history. This paper is not just about urbanization, rather it is about the process that took place throughout Indian history and experience lifestyle of people from the past. Thank you.